cattle have gathered for their morning meeting. मॉर्निंग स्ट्रोल के लिए कार पे जाते हुए हम लोग
दूर दूर है ना, तो कार या बाइक इज ओनली ऑप्शन.
So every family has a home deity. This is Mama Ji.
ट्री हाउस है.
Tree house, yeah. Hey, this is ये गांव का ट्री हाउस है ये बराबर वाला. It's a 2008 model apparently. Doesn't look in the best of shapes. आ रहा है इस तरफ आ रहा है वो. इस तरफ आ रहा है वो. So we have a train action coming up. Yes. Morning everyone, welcome to the next vlog of the Rajasthan series. We are right now in Om Prakash Bhai's house. गाड़ी से चलने वाला है. Dheeraj, and today our Sarthi is going to be Sriman Dheeraj. Dheeraj, hi बोलो.
Hi.
अरे हाय नहीं हाय.
He will keep on crying.
So Dheeraj is Hitesh's son. So he is, I think, missing his mother. That's why he was crying. He was thinking we are taking him away from his mother or what. See, now he is happy. His mother-in-law and his wife with his son Dheeraj. We are just going to explore their farmlands. शब्द सही यूज किया ना भाई. Being in this village last night was surreal. We went for a walk after dinner. We had a very early dinner. Typically my timing actually. So
Typically our household timing.
yeah, so in villages the people have an early dinner and sleep quite early. We went to bed by क्या 9:15 तक तो सो ही गए थे हम लोग. We had an early dinner, went for a walk to the village square. I'll include some photos over the video. You can check it out. We just went for a walk. We took a couple of photos. The tree which you are seeing is apparently 100 years old, planted by the grandfather of that shopkeeper, opposite to which the tree is. There are only about 2 or 3 grocery shops in this village, which is sufficient for their needs. The cattle have gathered for their morning meeting. So all the cattle from the village, various households of the village apparently gather here. This is the village square, of whose photos I had taken last night, and this is the grocery store. Morning stroll के लिए कार पे जाते हुए हम लोग
दूर दूर है ना, तो कार या बाइक इज ओनली ऑप्शन. वॉकिंग से काफी लेट हो जाएगा.
वॉकिंग से जाना हो तो काफ़ी जल्दी निकलना पड़ता. I woke up this morning at around 6. The only people other than me who were awake were Dheeraj, the other small kid who is basically Omji's sister's daughter, Ayushi, and of course the ladies of the house. बच्चों का क्या सुबह सुबह उठ जाते हैं बहुत जल्दी.
हाँ.
मेरी मम्मी बहुत बोला करती थी. हम लोग मेरे घर में जो है उस वक्त दादाजी बस रिटायर हुए ही थे और मेरे घर. अरे पता है ओम जी, इतना भी गवार नहीं हो यार. अरे यार ओम जी क्या
बहुत कम है, लेकिन वहाँ पे
अरे वहाँ पे नहीं रहेगा ठीक है, लेकिन ये बफेलो ये नहीं पता
होता रहेगा. वो तो बफेलो तो अपन नॉर्मल
ओम भाई मेरे को पता नहीं क्या समझ बैठे इसको बफेलो पता होगा. एक्चुअली मेरे घर में जो है बचपन में मेरी मम्मी बोलती थी कि पापा ऑफिस के लिए लगभग 8 साढ़े 8 बजे निकलते थे, लेकिन मेरी नींद खुल जाती थी सुबह 5 बजे को. 5 बजे खोल के वो दरवाज़ा, क्योंकि मैं उतर के कहीं चला ना जाऊं, दरवाजा बंद करके बैठे थे। हॉल में दादा दादी, मेरी बुआ, छोटी बुआ शादी होने के 1 साल बाद तक कभी वो छुट्टी पे आ गए तो वो सब हॉल में सोते। दरवाजा बंद था बाहर से मैं जाकर के उस पे बैठा नहीं, उसको मारता था, खोलो दरवाजा खोलो, मेरे को बाहर छोड़ो। मैं मम्मी से पूछता है इतना छोटा मैं कैसे उतर जाता था पलंग से। वो बोलती है मेरा स्वेटर पकड़ के, हाथ पकड़ के, ऐसे जैसे जैसे करके बैलेंस करके उतर के तुम चले जाते वहां से। प्रैक्टिस से फिर बाद में उन्होंने भी गिव अप कर दिया, इसका कुछ नहीं होने वाला, ये जाके कटकटाने वाला है, वो भी जोर से। कोई नहीं उठता, मैं उठ के जाके खोलो दरवाजा खोलो।
ये जल्दी उठ जाता है बहुत।
So that's probably the, you know, normal behavior of kids, because even my mom used to recollect these tales that I'm narrating right now. 5 बजे उठना, 5:15 बजे सारे घर को उठाना, 8 बजे दूध पी के सेकंड राउंड सो जाना, खत्म। They have a gate and these thorny fencing, you know, not the wired types, fence created by the. क्या हुआ?
दखला टायर में वो हवा बिल्कुल निकली रही।
क्या बात कर रहे हो? ओए, कल तो चेक कराया था, लेकिन
पंचर तो नहीं है, लेकिन हवा निकल रही है।
सो आज के हमारे उप सारथी श्री धीरज पटेल को घर पे उतार के मुख्य सारथी श्री ओम प्रकाश भाई गाड़ी चलाते हुए।
ये अपना है।
अच्छा, ये क्या लगा है अभी?
ये सरसों
मस्टर्ड।
द बिग मस्टर्ड, इससे ऑयल बनता है यूजुअली। छोटा वो सरसों खाने के लिए यूज होता है।
हाँ।
बड़ा सरसों ऑयल के लिए
अभी जैसे तुम लोग पौधे खरीदते हो या फिर बीज खरीदते हो लगाने के लिए, उसमें मिलता है अलग से छोटा सरसों और बड़ा?
मिलता है
ना, लेकिन हम यही वापस बोते हैं, यही सरसों वापस
क्योंकि
दूसरी बार
तेल बनाने के लिए आसान होता है इसलिए, या फिर कैसे?
ये देसी रहता है ना।
हम लोग ने सरसों निकाल दिया, सब कर दिया, उसके बाद है ना थोड़ा सरसों छोड़ देते हैं ताकि नेक्स्ट ईयर सेम उगा सके, तो हम लोग को बीज खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं होती।
So every family has a home deity. This is Mamaji, their home deity, whose small shrine they have established right next to their farms. Omji is doing the morning prayers. ये भी आप ही का है?
ये मेरे बड़े पापा का।
क्या लगा है इसमें भी?
ये अरंडी।
अरंडी वो क्या होता है?
इसका भी ऑयल निकलता है,
तेल।
हाँ।
So apparently Omji does not know the exact English translation of arandi. If any one of you know, please do put it down in the comments. This is the arandi field. That is their field, mustard. This is the arandi oil field. It's their uncle's field basically. Everything belongs to their family only.
वो जो सामने वाला है ना,
हाँ, वहाँ से
एकदम आगे वो बॉर्डर
पीछे, हाँ,
वहाँ से लेके यहाँ से समझो कि 1 किलोमीटर, यहाँ से 1 किलोमीटर,
1 किलोमीटर,
1 किलोमीटर तक, और यहाँ से वापस ऐसा 1 किलोमीटर तक
सही है,
पूरा हमारा फैमिली का है।
अलग अलग जनों में है।
हाँ, बोले तो वो डिवाइड हो गया ना, सब अलग अलग भाई थे तो डिवाइड हो गया। वो ये टोटल है समझो ना कि 100 बीघा।
1 बीघा कितना एकड़ होता है?
2.5
मतलब 250 एकड़। सही है यार। Primary occupation of this region is farming and of course cattle breeding.
Only 4 months farming.
हाँ, so they breed cattle and also do farming, but the main farming occurs only for 4 months.
8 months enjoy.
8 months. So work hard for 4 months, toil hard for 4 months and enjoy for the rest of the year.
क्योंकि इधर सिर्फ खेती 4 months की होती है।
अच्छा,
उसके बाद
ये एक बात बताओ, केरला में जैसे एक चीज़ होता है, केरला में वो लोग क्या करते हैं, रबर प्लांटेशन लगाते हैं।
हाँ।
वो रबर प्लांटेशन जब उखड़ जाता है,
हाँ।
बीच में दूसरे पेड़ या वो पौधा जो भी है वो लगाने से पहले वो ज़मीन को ज़रा फर्टाइल करे, इसलिए वो लोग पाइनएप्पल लगाते हैं वहाँ पे।
हमारे इधर भी
ऐसे कुछ होता है, मतलब
सब्जियां उगाते हैं।
2 खेती के बीच में कुछ ऐसी, वो 8 महीने मतलब खाली रखोगे ऐसे खेत को?
नहीं, 4 महीना ये फसल होता है और 4 महीना दूसरा फसल होता है, बाजरा,
हाँ, जिसको मतलब ज़्यादा पानी या देख रेख की ज़रूरत नहीं है।
एक तो तुरंत बारिश के बाद होता है,
हाँ।
बारिश के बाद वाला एक खेती होता है,
हम्म
उसके बाद एक है ना ये ठंड में, वो बेसिकली 4-5 महीने का ही अफेयर है सब मिला के। तो वो टाइम पे एक होता है, ठंडी में ज़्यादा करके ये सब लगता है।
अच्छा,
ये
गेहूँ।
ये प्रॉपर वीट। हाँ, व्हाट वी ईट इज डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ इंग्लिश वीट। ये देसी वीट है,
ऑर्गेनिक। So you have wheat, mustard, sprinkler system to water the crops on a regular basis.
इससे पानी की बचत भी होती है और सब जगह पानी चला भी जाता है।
So last night we were hosted by Sri Tejaram ji, Hitesh's father-in-law, basically Hombai's father. He comes here during the season to regularly spend time in the fields at night. You know, like a protector of the crops, to prevent any animal grazing into the fields, coming and destroying the crops, to keep an eye on his fields. So we're just going to meet him right now. Last night I couldn't cover much because everyone was tired. चप्पल ऐसा भारी हो गया, पता है, पूरा कीचड़ कीचड़ होकर। नमस्ते अंकल जी, हेलो बोल लीजिए अपना। गुड मॉर्निंग। So he is keeping himself warm, and this is his very innovative hut.
ट्री हाउस है।
Tree house, yeah. Hey, this is, ये गांव का ट्री हाउस है, ये बराबर वाला। So this is where he sleeps and
Good enough for a sleep purpose.
definitely, of course, minimalistic, and it serves the purpose. So this is where he takes rest.
ये धीरज का सोने का।
यहाँ धीरज सोता है।
हाँ।
यहाँ धीरज होता है।
सही है। So if Dheeraj comes here, he sleeps on this, and if any elder comes here like uncle ji, he sleeps in this. Not bad. ये तो कच्चे हैं यार।
नहीं कच्चे नहीं, यहाँ पके हुए नीचे गिर गए।
अच्छा।
And wash and give this one.
नहीं चलो, it's okay. I am not a big fan of berries. So this is a berry tree apparently. You can see this is a berry tree, that is a neem tree, and this is Tejaramji's tree house. The ripened fruits have fallen on the ground. ஔவையார் கதை தெரிஞ்ச தமிழர்கள் எல்லாருக்கும் சுட்ட பழம் சுடாத பழம் கதை ஞாபகம் இருக்குல்ல? முருகர் ஔவையாரை சந்தித்த அந்த நிமிடம் எனக்கு இந்த பழத்தை பார்த்தா அதுதான் ஞாபகம் வருது. That's a small tidbit for my Tamil speaking friends. Don't mind. This is the crop that is being grown over there. It looks similar to wheat, but it's not wheat. So by the description they have given me, I'm guessing it's puffed rice based on where it's being used, because that's what they described. So we are leaving their farm right now. This is how we entered and this is how we are exiting. See this, narrow enough to fit one person, one-way traffic basically. You either enter or you leave. एक और बार बोलिए। डोर नहीं फिर से बोलिए वो चीज जो बोला।
This is a door.
This is door. It gives me so much happiness to be here, seeing their farming still active. As far as my family is concerned, there is very little farming still happening in our village farmlands. Very few relatives staying there. We are not so well connected to this kind of atmosphere. I mean, yesterday Hitesh was saying their village trips every year. So he comes to his village every year to stay grounded. It sort of helps people stay grounded. This kind of atmosphere makes us feel like we are where we belong. All that mundane urban atmosphere where we are living, what we call home right now, is all fine and good, but this gives happiness. I don't know, some sort of induced happiness. It does not seem forced by any chance. अरे इससे पहले कल जो वहाँ कौन सा वो शहर था, वो कहीं पे तो हम लोग ने टर्न काटा, इससे छोटे में था वो तो बालोतरा।
हाँ
ये बोल रहा है इतने छोटे जगह पे टर्न काटा। अरे कल बालोतरा में इससे भी छोटी थी।
हाँ और
तो टर्न काट ही लिया उन्हें।
वहाँ पे एटलीस्ट यू टर्न की जगह थी, यू टर्न नहीं सॉरी बैक के लिए।
So this is their old Safari. It's not being used right now. It's a 2008 model apparently. Doesn't look in the best of shapes. I'm not really sure of it, but if any of you know if this model of ओए धीरज नहीं है ना, एक गियर होगा एक एडिशनल उसमें. So this is not a 4x4. So time to get refreshed. It's so cold. Hitesh has refused to take a bath for the morning. He said I'll take it in Jodhpur. But for me the day doesn't begin without a bath. Unless I am on a train which doesn't have washroom facilities. This is where I spent last night. என்னடாகண்ணா என்னாச்சு என்னாச்சு அப்படியா नाक बंद था एकदम से. कब नींद आंख लगी मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आया. बस ड्रीम वर्ल्ड पे चला गया अपना. दिस इज द हाउस. ये तुमने कहा क्या 3 घर अलग अलग बटे हुए हैं 3 भाइयों में. So this is their same property, just divided within the family. And this area is mainly a storage unit. A lot of their you can see cots, cans and other stuff being stored here. At first I thought this was their tabela, the place where their cattle gets tied, but that's behind the house apparently. This is a storage compartment. They have 2 huge storage compartments like this. This is custom made. One is this and one is there outside. So these storage compartments usually store blankets, rugs, etc. for winters. Winters are the only season where you feel extreme temperatures here. Monsoons are not so extreme. That is the main house. This door leads to the terrace. Not bad, na? So that is where the cattle are. Lot of cow dung cakes being made, prepared for fuel. The good thing about all the meals prepared here are they are not usually, at least the main course you can say, the rotis, the curries and other stuff. Like they are preparing a carrot halwa this morning. Most of that is prepared on wood fire. There where the ladies are working there, that is where the chulha is. I clicked a photo of it last evening. Most of the dishes which are prepared in large quantities, that is to serve the entire family or to serve guests who have come, I think those are prepared on wood fire, because this morning I saw them bringing the tea from inside the house, so that is probably prepared on the gas. But the good thing is they still use biodegradable fuel. They use wood, cow dung cakes, any sort of stick that can be burnt, and dishes are prepared on that kind of a fire. To eat the food prepared in such conditions, it's definitely a very typical village feeling. We are so used to the gas stove. A lot of times what happens in our houses is that the gas gets over in the middle of a dish preparation. So you quickly turn off the knob, you get the spare cylinder, connect that and resume cooking like nothing ever happened. Here there is no question of, at least with the chulha, there is no question of gas getting over. You have to constantly keep a watch to ensure that the fire doesn't die out. The attention has to be given 100%. You can see the typical village atmosphere here. Hitesh gave me some name for this tree, you know. It's spread across Rajasthan. I mean, you could see even in the vlog series, you could see it in a lot of places. I'm not sure of the exact name of this in English. If any of you are aware of it, or if any of you know the translation of it in English, please put it down in the comments. It's spread across Rajasthan, even in the fields that we just visited. Stem and the branches of this tree were the ones that were contributing in building up of the fence around the fields. I'll give you a close-up look. Just tell me what it is. I'm recording such super long clips. I don't know how I'm going to edit them. The clip which I just recorded was at least 8 minutes long.
पानी रख दिया भाई गरम.
रख दिया?
हाँ ठंडा.
So towel लेके आ जाते हैं. नहा लेता हूँ. My water is ready. I'll go take my bath. Now, when was the last time you saw that? A road roller being transported in a tipper truck. I don't remember seeing this kind of a movement unless and until the engine has given way or something like that. Usually I've seen road rollers moving on their own. This is interesting. Now we have left from Ombai's house. So we are on our way to some other places. They said they'll help me explore this locality, these surroundings. And we'll be heading to Jodhpur later in the evening. We have just taken the car out. I had a very scrumptious breakfast. Bajra roti, liberally coated with butter. And for a change, the sabji was not there. I mean, yesterday's haldi sabji was still there, but I preferred not to have it. Instead, they served a green chili chutney. I mean, it was not even a chutney of sorts. It was just a green chili preparation. You know, just green chilies chopped up and I don't know, how do you call that? They might have tossed it in a kadai and literally served it just like that. It was not spicy. That's when I heard that the chilies grown in this region are not that spicy. It was slightly salty, a wee bit tangy, and of course the flavors of garlic which was added in it, whole garlic, that was quite liberal. It was a very good companion for that bajra roti that we had.
कैसे हो?
बढ़िया हूँ, आप बताओ.
एक आप हिंदी समझते हैं ना?
जी बिल्कुल.
एक इधर सामने एक नदी है.
अच्छा.
आपको तो मैं साथ चल के बता दूं.
ठीक है.
उसके अंदर इतना गंदा पानी आ रहा है
हाँ.
कि किसान की सब फसल बर्बाद हो गई. पाली की इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया का कास्टिक पानी आ रहा है.
जी.
आपको तो मैं आपको दिखा दूं.
नहीं मैं कल बताइए.
अगर आप उस पानी को ले लो तो हो सकता है आपके से कोई न कोई काम बन जाए और गरीबों का भला हो जाए.
काश मैं कुछ कर पाऊँ उस बारे में, लेकिन आपने वीडियो में बताया तो देख लेते हैं अगर कोई देखता है तो.
चलो मैं बताता हूँ. आप
नहीं अभी नहीं हो पाएगा.
ये सामने ही थे, रास्ते में थे.
नहीं हम
1 किलोमीटर है.
कल बताया रहा.
कल बताओ
कौन सा बताया रहा.
तो थोड़ा उसको बढ़ा चढ़ा के बताओ ना.
बिल्कुल
हैं?
बड़ा चढ़ा के ही बता देंगे.
हाँ.
धन्यवाद.
हाँ धन्यवाद. आपको भी धन्यवाद.
लगता है कोई ध्यान नहीं देता इन समस्याओं
नहीं
पे.
दे रहा है. बहुत हम लोग को बहुत तकलीफ है. हम लोग ने कंप्लेन कर करके, बट पाली का सोर्स ही एक ही है.
वो नदी
नहीं मतलब वो जो इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया है ना,
हाँ.
वो बंद कर देंगे तो पाली का यूजुअली टूरिज्म नहीं है ना, इकोनॉमी बंद हो जाएगा पाली का. बट हम लोग चाहते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट इकोनॉमी बंद ना करे, लेकिन एटलीस्ट वो वाटर को नदी में ना छोड़े.
नदी में छोड़े लेकिन उसको प्रॉपरली फिल्टर करके छोड़े.
लेकिन उसकी वजह से पानी पूरा गंदा हो गया है. ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल पूरा खराब हो गया है.
So that uncle who I met over there was sharing his concern over polluted water due to a factory present here. But the problem is the factory also cannot be removed because this surroundings economy is dependent on that. At the same time, the polluted water is causing issues because that is one of the drinking water sources of these surroundings. So he asked me to come along with him, but since we are crunched for time, I could not go. And उनको लग गया होगा कि मैं कोई मीडिया वाला आदमी.
उन्होंने बोला किस चीज़ का सर्वे हो रहा है.
अच्छा. So he thought I was some media personnel and I could bring the government's attention to this issue. And anyone of you who is watching this video, if you could bring this issue to the attention of the concerned authorities, it will at least be a step towards solution of the problem. So we had this homemade multigrain laddu, which was slightly on the bitter side thanks to the fenugreek seeds present in it, and it's supposed to be a very healthy preparation. In fact, Hitesh's father-in-law Sri Tejaramji even asked me to go for more of the haldi sabji because it is very healthy apparently, but I couldn't because my morning breakfast usually is not so heavy. Apart from all of this, we even had some freshly made carrot halwa. I mean, they have their own ways of treating guests, and although they keep repeating that our treatment is to the level of gods, we treat that phrase which says Atiti Devo Bhava, they take it very seriously, but my capacity is also there. I need to eat according to how much I can withstand. I don't want to overload myself. So we had a very wholesome breakfast. Now we are in search of some puncture shops because the front left tire is gone. This morning when we visited the fields, the tire's air was completely down. Now we have come to this shop, so hopefully the issue gets solved. It doesn't look like a puncture though, because we are not able to detect any air leaks, but the air keeps going down for I don't know what reason. This is not a tubeless tire, it's a tube tire. So let them check it. So this is the Balotra road in Jaitpur village of Pali district. Looks like the main market area. Samdadi 56, Balotra 94. Sri Rajeshwar Bhagwan Anjani Mata Dham Trust, Naya Chanda, Rohat Tehsil, Pali Jila, Rajasthan.
ये हमारा सेकंड टेंपल है जो हमारे ट्रस्ट का है।
और तुम कह रहे हो इसी में एक स्कूल भी है?
इसके पास बना हुआ है वो स्कूल,
वो बाजू वाला बिल्डिंग।
ओनली गर्ल्स स्कूल है विद बेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजीज, अंदर
गुड फैसिलिटीज,
बेस्ट दी बेस्ट। उसके अंदर हॉस्टल भी बना हुआ है, 3 टाइम्स मील, अच्छा खासा। यू कांट एंटर इनसाइड दैट
विदाउट परमिशन।
विदाउट परमिशन हम लोग एंटर ही नहीं कर सकते। ओनली फैमिली मेम्बर्स जिसका भी आईडी कार्ड जमा किया हुआ है कि वो लोग 2 मिलने आएंगे, मदर फादर बस उसको छोड़ के हम लोग कोई भी नहीं जा सकते।
बढ़िया,
अलाउड ही नहीं है, इतनी स्ट्रिक्ट है।
So I have come to visit this Anjani Mata temple in Naya Chenda village.
यहाँ पे प्लॉट का रेट क्या है पता है?
क्या?
यहाँ पे जगह का रेट 10K पर स्क्वायर फीट।
बाप रे, ये तो अर्बन बैंगलोर का हो गया यार।
हाँ।
We have started from Jaipur. We were in one of the local villages. I think it was Sajiapur if I'm not wrong. That is Hitesh's in-laws place, basically Ombai's house. So we came from there to Hitesh's house. We visited his grandmother, his paternal grandmother, and we took her blessings. We stayed there for some time. So now we are on our way from here to the temple of Om Banna, which is here in this Pali district in near Jodhpur. I'm not sure of the exact date. I think it was somewhere in May if I'm not wrong. I'll put it down here after finding it out. So it was in 1988. One Mr. Om Singh Rathod was traveling to his hometown or village and he lost control of his bike. He crashed into a ditch and lost his life. And the following day, the local policeman took the bike to the police station, and they later found out that it miraculously went back to the accident spot. And this apparently repeated a few times, after which people started believing that it was Om Singh Rathod's spirit which was taking the bike back to the place. And he is also called as Om Banna. So Banna is a respectful term apparently for Rathods. So many people visit there and they pay their respects. They pray for a safe journey ahead and make sure, it's believed that Sri Om Banna Ji blesses people to have a safe journey, an uneventful journey wherever they are going. So I'll learn more about the history of the place and I'll talk to you about it once we visit there. Right now we are here in Jaitpur village. Our people have gone inside for some shopping. Once they are back, we'll start from here.
Come on, my love.
Pali live maru. The familiar sights of a railway line. God, it's so close to the road. I mean, imagine traveling on this road and getting a train running parallel to you. It would be heavenly, right? Anything, goods train also, just run parallel to you when you are driving. It will be such a pleasant sight to watch, to experience. Apparently, this is the Pali Marwar to Jodhpur line, the same line on which we travelled when we came to Jodhpur a few days ago. You would have seen a couple of videos of it. I took it on my phone maybe. If I have not shared it as a part of the vlog, I'll share it individually. We are on our way to Om Banna temple. Our boys just stopped for a washroom break. So I'll just check and see if there is any train in either direction at this time. So to my left side, this is coming from Pali, and to this side is Jodhpur. बांद्रा भगत की कोठी एक है,
कितने देर में
देख रहा हूँ. पाली पहुंच गई है. पाली पहुंच गई है.
5 मिनट वेट करेंगे.
अरे बड़े प्यार से वेट कर लेंगे.
पाली पहुंच गई है तो इधर तो जाएगा.
आ रहा है, इस तरफ आ रहा है वो. इस तरफ आ रहा है वो.
हाँ तो फिर तो 5-7 मिनट लेगा.
So we have a train action coming up. Yes. और सुन, रणकपुर केरला पहुंच रही है.
हाँ रणकपुर का टाइम है वही तुम.
गुड फॉर यू.
अपन नहा कर लेंगे.
आज मेरे को भूख नहीं लग रही. अब मेरे को भूख नहीं लग रही. कहाँ पे? नहीं ये जगह अच्छी है. रहने दो, इसी को रहने दो.
खाने में थोड़ा डिले चलेगा ना?
एकदम डिले चलेगा. मैं स्किप भी कर सकता हूँ. रात को डिनर कर लेंगे सीधा.
आवाज आ गई केरला से, बट वो केरला पे रुक जाएगी.
मेरे को नहीं लगता रुकेगी.
तो फिर ये क्रॉस करेगी तो पाली से वहाँ बाद में चलेगी वो.
हाँ,
क्योंकि बीच में कोई लूप लाइन नहीं है.
गेट बंद है. पहले यही आएगा. So we have the Ranakpur Express which is coming from Jodhpur. It started in the morning from Bikaner and it's going towards Pali and onwards to Mumbai. Apart from that, we have Bandra Bhagat Ki Koti. I think we'll capture 2 and leave. That's enough because after that the next action is Ranikhet, which is after 1 hour. It will take some time. I'll just set up a nice spot. Oh bhai, frame set करने का time नहीं है. भागो. अरे रुक ना, आ रहा हूँ बे. हाँ, अरे उस दिन पे अपने को इलेक्ट्रिक ही मिला था.